severe thunderstorm warning for Cook County and all of Illinois right now. Big thunderstorm is spotted heading east at about 45 miles an hour with wind gusts expected up to 70. Hail possible, tornado possible. With these type of dangerous looking clouds, I mean these clouds are unbelievably dark. I mean if I could just see you guys the color, discoloration real quick. This is what it actually looks like right now. Really dark. But a nice thunderstorm. Nice lightning show. Very nice. I already hear the rain coming, so. And that's it way over there, too. Oh my gosh. Now that's picking up. These clouds are extremely dark. Now you guys can tell. I just really hope I'm not a victim. Lightning could strike anywhere, any moment, at any time. There's our storm. I'm gonna run out real quick. Wind's starting to pick up more. Whoa! Whoa, I got that one. I got that one. Okay, yep, time to back up. I hate mosquitoes, dude. I knew it would do it. Did I actually catch that? Wait, I have to look back at that footage if I caught that. Oh, afraid of nothing. What? What? I caught that. Yeah, I saw that because I caught that. So this is where you're striking. Right here. You little naughty little lightning. Mother Nature. Why do you have to bully? Why you gotta bully me? Like, honestly. Why do I feel like I should hide? I'm scared. I'm really scared standing under this thing. I just feel intimidated. At the same time, I feel like I'm having like the best rail fanning day ever. But at the same time, I'm beyond belief terrified because not only am I standing right under a storm, but I'm a lightning rod. Yep, not doing it. Totally not doing it because I ain't risking it. What's the point? Oh, look at this. Okay. Well, that's that. Oh, I caught that. I didn't see it, but I caught it. Ah, it's going so quick. I hear a fire truck. Lightning can cause fires. I don't know if any of us knew that. If lightning strikes something, it's going to cause a fire. Like a tree. So if it strikes one of these transformers and the power goes out, I'm going to be pissed. That means I won't be able to upload this for days. I'm just saying. That's why I accidentally cussed, because I don't want it to strike a transformer over there. That would be badass. That would actually be very badass. If it struck this transformer over here. Don't. Please don't. I'm just saying if it did. Unexpectedly, that'd be badass. That'd get me so many views. That would be so good. Let's do the lightning whistle. Well, guys, I gotta end it here. My phone's at 15%. It's going to die soon. So, thank you all so much for watching this Thunderstorm video and joining me for this night of thunderstorms. If you guys liked it, and if you guys want more Thunderstorm videos like this in the future when another severe thunderstorm like this comes around, thank you so much for congratulating me. Yeah, give that applause. Yeah, pretty much give all that applause to the thunder and the lightning. Lightning and the thunder. Alright, love y'all. Peace, and I'll see y'all in the next one later. And hold the brakes. If this is your first time seeing my face or seeing one of my videos, don't forget to turn on that notification bell, subscribe so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you all in the next one later. Love you all. Peace.